Hi, I'm Luiza, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make an owl out of empty toilet paper rolls. We're going to use quite a lot of empty toilet paper rolls, but the process is actually pretty easy. We're going to take each roll and then cut it in 8 equal parts. I find it easier to just cut it in half and then half and then half. Now we're going to take each of those pieces, cut it, and then start rolling it. These pieces are going to be what the body of the owl is made of. And once we have enough of these rolls, we can start assembling the body. And we're just going to glue them together. If you enjoy crafting with the empty toilet paper rolls, you'll be delighted to find out that I have an entire playlist dedicated to this type of craft, where you can find a lot of different kinds of animals, birds, insects, and even flowers. Once the body is completed, we're going to add an outline to it. For that, we're just going to use one of the pieces that we haven't rolled out yet and glue it to the side of the body. And before we start assembling the head of the owl, I'm going to create its nose and its beak. And now that we have all of the elements, it's time to start assembling the head. If you enjoy these kinds of videos, I hope you consider subscribing if you haven't already, and maybe even hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my next crafts. Just like we did with the body, we're going to give the head an outline as well. And because the eyes are a bit spooky right now, we're going to add something inside as well. We're going to roll one of those first elements that we made, but instead of gluing it together, we're going to add glue to the outer part of it, and then adding it to the eye just like I showed you. And now for the wings, we're just going to add one of those pieces that we first cut in the beginning of the video. For each of the wings, we're going to add one entire piece, and then take a third piece, cut it in half, and adding it just like this at the bottom of the first big piece. And then we'll do the same, but instead this time we're going to add that smaller piece inside of the big part. Our owl is almost done, but not yet complete. We just need to add its small ears. So there you have it, our owl made out of empty toilet paper rolls is done. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, like the video, and maybe even leave a comment. See you on the next one. Bye!